Hi, this is my take on Jonalyn Verai's song for the very famous series on GMA7, which is entitled My Husband's Lover. Here goes my own version. Noong Miyerkules, nauwi sa sakitan na mag-away ang mga tauhan ng City Hall ng Taguig at Makati, manalo sa order ng dalawang lungsod. Sensya na, dili kay klaro. Makati Anti-Drug Abuse Council ang mga tauhan ng Taguig Public Order and Safety Office na nagtatagal ng mga tarpaulin na may nakalagay na ang PGC ay sa Makati. Sabi ni Karikado, that this would will begin. Now I'm here, right beside the one I love. I see he's in love with someone else. Now I know I just got to let him go. Because it's over. Help me get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me. Help me. Help me get over you. Para may pakita raw ang kanilang strong claim sa Fort Bonifacio, kabilang na ang Bonifacio Global City. Tuloy naman ang pag-iikot ng mga taga-Taguig Poso para bantayan ang sino mang gagawa ng aksyon sa loob ng PGC na walang pahintulot. Pinuntahan naman ang JB you're so happy with her deep inside. I just don't know what to do. Oh, I'm sure you don't need me anymore, so I'll go on. Try my best to just move on. Now that it's over, I gotta get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on to something fading. Help me. Help me. Help me get over you. I know I've got to leave all behind. Somehow I'll try to get you off my mind. Tell me what to do. They told me that certain barangay chairman gave them the money to buy edible rice. Here in Britain, so I was able to get the name, but at this point in time, I cannot, I want to withhold your name. Tigli limang kilo raw ng NFA rice ang piniin ng mga tao. Kahapon lang daw ito nangyari. Ibinigay na raw ng retailer sa NFA ang pangalan ng sinasabing barangay chairman para maimbestigahan kung ano ang motibo sa pamamahagi ng perang pambili ng NFA rice. There may be some people trying to destabilize the program of the NFA, whatever is decided, don't know. 2 kada kilo ang itinaas ng presyo ng commercial rice sa palengke ng Pitil at Trabaho at sa Commonwealth sa Quezon City. Nananatili naman sa 27 pesos per kilo ang NFA Iron Fortified Rice, 32 pesos per kilo ang NFA Well-Milled Rice. Tumagi raw ang tumatangkilik sa bigas ng NFA at tumunti